How to get Canva Pro Team invite link. Want to join a Canva Pro team? Here's how invite links work and how to get one. So first, step 1, ask the admin. Only team owners or admins can generate invite links. Ask them to go to settings and then on settings, go ahead and head over to people and then click invite people. And then they copy the invite link and share it with you. The link is valid for 30 days and works once per person. Canva also sends email invites. Click join the team in your email to accept. If your email matches the team's domain, you may see available teams under your settings. If your link expired, request a new one from the admin. Canva Pro Team invite links come only from admins. They expire in 30 days and require a Canva account.